Think about selling your home, but not sure if now is the right time?
Or maybe you're waiting for prices to drop below you buy.
In this video, we will show you exactly what's happening in the Queens real estate market with real numbers, not just guesswork.
Hi, I'm Elias.
And I'm Alejandra, where you trust the real estate brokers with Empire Fine Homes.
Let's break down the Queens housing market for May 2025.
Let's start first with the single family homes. There were 210 homes sold in May. That is a 6.7% decrease compared to May of last year.
But prices are still rising. The median sales price was $844,950, up 5.6% year over year.
Homes are selling faster too, with an average of 58 days on the market compared to 64 last year.
And sellers received 96.8% of their original list price, a clear sign that buyers' demand is still strong.
That's right, and 449 new listings came on the market, a 2.8% increase from May of 2024.
And one more key stat, the months of supply dropped to 4.6 compared to 5.2 months last May. That means inventory is tightening even more.
In terms of pending sales, 281 single-family homes went under contract in May. That is a 1.4% dip year over year.
But those homes had a median list price of $885,000, which is an 8.1% higher than May 2024. Fewer contracts, but stronger price.
And now let's talk about multifamily homes, Elias. 2 to 4 family homes. There were 125 properties sold in May.
That's right, and the median sales price was $1,065,000, and they sold for about 95.7% of the asking price.
However, they are taking longer to move, with an average of 76 days on the market.
So here's the bottom line. Inventory is low, prices are holding, and demand is still very active.
If you're still thinking about selling, this is a strong market to take advantage of.
And if you're buying, be ready. Homes are still moving fast and prices are climbing.
Whether you're buying, selling, or investing here in Queens, we are here to guide you every step of the way.
If you found this update helpful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to our channel so you never miss a monthly market report.
And don't forget to share this video with someone who's thinking about buying or selling in Queens. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.